Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. So this is Khushi and today we are going to do our class 4th perimeter worksheet 1. Okay, so we have completed with the explanation of this chapter perimeter. Okay, I have divided the video in two parts. Part 1 is about what is perimeter, of finding perimeter of any shape and finding perimeter using formulas for triangles, squares and rectangles. Okay, so we have completed with this part 1 and we've also completed with part 2 that is fully based on word problems related to the chapter perimeter. Okay, so our today's topic is to do worksheet 1. So here is our question 1, that is take the closed figures in the following. So some figures are drawn here, some shapes are drawn here, and what is our question? We have to tick on the closed ones. Okay, now in the explanation video I have already taught you what is open figures, what is closed figures, what is perimeter, everything in detail I have taught you there. Okay, so whoever hasn't watched the explanation video of the chapter perimeter can first go and watch that for your understanding. Okay, and then we can do with the exercises. Okay, so now let's start with this exercise, that is take the closed figures in the following. I'll once again repeat what is closed figure. Closed figure means the figure that is closing. Okay, or you can say the figure that is starting and ending from the same point. So our first figure is not closing, it's starting from here, it's ending at here. So the points are in same and the figure is not closed, so this will be a cross. This is not a closed figure. Our second figure is a closed one where all the this is starting from here and completing and ending at the same point only. That means the figure is closed, so this is a closed figure. Coming to the third one is also a closed figure because it's not open one and it's starting from here and then ending at the same point. Okay, fourth one is an open figure. Why? Because starting point is this and ending point is this. Both the points are different. That means it's a closed figure. Now it's a open figure, so it will be a cross. Okay, now next it's a closed figure. Why? Because starting ending points are same and the figure is not open. It's a closed one, so this will be a closed figure. Coming to our F part, that is the figure is starting from here and ending at here, so the figure is not a closed one. Both the points are different, so this is an open figure, so a cross here. Coming to G part, that is a closed one, starting point here, completing and ending point also this one only. So this figure is also a closed one. Okay, so we have completed with our question 1 of worksheet 1. Okay, I hope this was clear. Now let's come to question number 2. So now coming to our question number 2, that is take the figures or shapes that are made of line segment only. Okay, so we have to tick mark the shapes that are made of line segment. Now what do you mean by line segment? I'll explain you. Line segment is a line that is a straight line with two endpoints. Okay, both the side two endpoints are there. Okay, we have learned this in our angles chapter. Okay, so line segment is a straight line in which both the endpoints are there. Okay, both the points are there, endpoints are there at both the directions, right side also and left side also. Both the directions endpoints are there, or you can say both the places endpoints are there. So we have to now tick mark the figures which are having line segment, or you can say we have to tick mark all of these are closed figures. Okay, so we have to tick mark the closed figures which are made of line segment. So come to the first one. It's not a line segment because here a curve is there, and I told you line segment means a straight line. So this will be a cross. Then coming to our B1. Okay, it's a line segment because all the lines are what? Straight lines. So tick. Then C part, this is a line segment but the cone is there, and down part a circle or a oval is there, so it is cross. Okay, D part, all the four lines are line segment, all have endpoints, they are not moving ahead and all are straight lines, so this will be a line segment figure. Then E also is a line segment figure because all are lines. Okay, straight lines with endpoints. Coming to F, it's a circle, line is only not there, so line segment is not there. Then cross. G part is also cross, line segment is not there, it's a curve. Coming to our H part, it's a you can say it's a closed figure with a line segment. Why? because all the lines are straight and all have endpoints. So we have completed with our question number 2 of perimeter worksheet 1. Okay. So now coming to our third question, that is draw the following. Okay, so 3 parts are given to us, 2 closed figures, 2 open figures, and then third one 2 closed figures using line segments only. So we have to draw here. So let's do it. First one, 2 closed figures. So any 2 closed figures you can make here. So I'm making here a circle. Then I'm making here a, you can say rectangle, square, anything you can make. Okay. Then 2 open figures you have to make. Any open figures you can make. So I'm making here a C, that is open. Starting point this, ending point this. Then I'm making here this figure. So starting ending point different, and these 2 are open figures. Okay. Coming to our third part, that is 2 closed figures using line segments only. So we have to use here only line segments and make 2 closed figures. So I am making first figure here as a triangle that is made up of 3 line segments, and second one I am making here a square. Okay, so both the closed figures are made using line segments. You can draw here any figures in these 3 parts. Just remember, here closed figure, here open figure, and here closed figures using line segments. Okay, so our worksheet 1 of perimeter chapter is over now. I hope we have completed with the worksheet 1 every question. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do encourage me with your lovely comments, and do remember to watch the explanation of the chapter perimeter. Okay, so now bye to all.